Hello, I'm Varsha Aithala. I'm a co-author of the paper titled Administering Virtual Justice in Times of Suffering During COVID-19.
Hello, I'm Siddharth Souza, also co-author on this paper. In this paper, we examine the sudden shift that courts in India have taken to a virtual mode of working, and we examine what impacts this has for rights to equality, non-discrimination, dignity, and fairness. We are also interested in the implications that this has for the broader rule of law in India. We're particularly interested in focusing on the administrative decisions of the court, primarily the Supreme Court, and argue for why it is important to not look at these administrative decisions purely as technical decisions, but rather examine them in their socio-political reality. We do this in two ways. Firstly, by examining the human impact of the court's decisions for litigants and lawyers. And we also examine the managerial impact of some of these decisions by looking at it in the context of the e-courts project of the court, but also look at certain decisions such as the listing of cases, which has been a controversy more recently.
We find that in India's experience with digitization of courts, strongly influenced by the COVID-19 pandemic, virtual administration of justice has been carried out without thinking through the design of the technological solutions used. This perpetuates already existing exclusions, arbitrariness in decision-making, and solutionism by courts. This has a material impact on how people have been able to use and access courts. Also, we submit that there's a need to first build a supportive ecosystem for digitalization of justice before we can have discussions on techno-centric courts for India. This is because there is danger in prioritizing technology for efficiency without addressing fundamental values like procedural compliance, inviolability of rights, and protection for liberty. Thank you.